Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cut clips in KineMaster. Cutting clips in KineMaster is a fundamental editing task. In order to do that, first of all launch Open KineMaster application and open up the project containing the clip or start up a new project. If you've started up a new project, this will be your workspace. Go to the top right corner and tap on Media and import a video clip you want to edit from your device's camera roll or other sources provided by KineMaster. Select a video clip you want to work on with and then tap on the tick mark at the top right corner. After you import the video clip to your timeline, this is how it will be previewed. Tap on the video clip you want to modify on the timeline and this will open up several tools on the right hand corner. Drag the playhead to the exact position where you want to cut the clip and stop. Now tap on trim and split with a scissor icon and choose whether you'd like to trim left, right, split in between or split and frame freeze. In order to trim the left part and delete it, simply tap on trim left. Now the left part of the selected clip will be deleted. Similarly, if you want to trim the right part of the selected area, tap on trim right and you will be able to delete unwanted parts from the right area of the selected frame. If you want to cut the video into halves, tap on split and this will divide the clip into two parts at the playhead position. Now you can delete the unwanted part of the clip by selecting the unwanted part and tapping on trash icon on the left side. So that is how you can easily cut clips in KineMaster in different ways. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video.